How's it going, everyone? I'm Blake and this is my 2023 Harley Street Bob. Today I'm going to give a short review on these Patriot large throw-over saddlebags from VikingBags. I've been running these for a little over a year now, and honestly the only downside is the little bit of sun fading on the zipper flaps that you see here. Besides that, they have been holding up extremely well, and I pack these things full all the time. For how small they look compared to larger bags, these things have so much storage space, perfect for daily commuter use and day trips. As you just heard, they have somewhat of a hard shell, so even if you pack these things full, they will keep their shape extremely well. Most of the adjustability comes from these two large heavy-duty Velcro straps, and then you also have these two lower Velcro straps that keeps it close to the bike. It comes with these 4 mounting brackets that reuses the OEM bolts, making install super easy and painless. It maybe took me 20 minutes total, with the majority of the time trying to find the right adjustment for where I wanted them to sit. Just throw them on, tighten your lower straps, and put your seat back on. Easy enough, right? They will have some wiggle room, as you're about to see, but I've had no issues with them at all. Both sides have MOLLE system on the outward facing side, so if you want to attach extra bags as well, it makes it super easy. The high-vis interior helps a lot when it's dark out, giving a good contrast to the things you keep in there. Both sides have this interior top zipper compartment where I usually have my rain covers and paperwork. They also have a small zipper pocket on the outside for quick access items. And the right side has these 2 separate organizers, perfect for your phone, wallet, or small tools so they aren't rattling around while you're riding. I highly recommend these to anyone that's looking for storage for your bike, and I hope this video makes your saddlebag purchase easier.